Hello. So yummy, guys. Very yummy, but this one got the cost fat. Fresh, okay. And we got also some tomato. Them here. I'll put them here. Then I will go. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Hello everyone. Hello my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so if this is your first time here and you're seeing this face for the first time, this beautiful face without makeup, check me out without makeup. So my name is Hope. I'm a Nigerian mom and I live here in Paris, France. Okay, so I have 3 kids and I live here with my husband. Okay, so guys, consider subscribing if you like this family. Thank you all so much, my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all so much. So guys, I'm feeling cold. That's why I double this shirt. I'm feeling cold. Oh, cold day. So I just came back from work and I'm feeling cold. The jacket I wore is there, over there. So I'm in the house, so I don't want to wear the jacket, though there is cold. Okay, I don't know why I'm feeling cold today, so I put on this sweater. Though it's rough, I didn't iron it since I'm at home. No need for ironing. Okay, I'm not happy the iron clothes, so I wear my clothes like that, except say I get occasion to go. That's why I tell the iron my clothes if I go out. Okay, like important place when I'm going to maybe party, like birthday party or marriage. Now, so I tell the iron my clothes. As in, when I iron my clothes. So I'm not the iron clothes when I'm not go anywhere. Okay. So manage the clothes, excuse, but manage it like that. So let me take you guys to the kitchen. More go see what we get for kitchen. Ignore this my mouth when I take chop just now. Hi God. Now. So guys, I'm right in the kitchen. What did they scent like this? Are the years scent like scent of food? Are the hungry? Maybe I make them. Not they say we get any food for this house. I mean we get. It's like we get, but I'm hungry. So let me show you guys what I'm preparing. And we went to Grand Frère, guys. We went to Grand Frère. Grand Frère is a supermarket where they sell veggies and fruits. Okay, and sometimes they used to see meat there. Okay, though I don't used to buy their meat though because it's very expensive. So I used to buy only fruits and vegetable. Okay, so I want to show you guys what we got from the supermarket that they call Grand Frère. I didn't film because I was so busy with my phone when we were going there and hobby, so I couldn't film. So let me just show you guys. Okay, so guys, this is what we have. We have garden egg. How they call this one? Eggplant. That's what they speak for good English. Oyibo language, eggplant. So this is eggplant. Okay, we na garden egg. So I bought 2 like this. I got this one for €2 each, €1.99. So very cheap. So I decided to get 2 pack like this, 2 sack like this, because I'm going to be making yam and hey, my son don't come back for school. Make I go open door for him. I will get back to you guys right now. So hoping I just come back from school. Yeah, he did down. He go soon come. Yeah, so let me take you guys to the kitchen. Or make I just open the door for myself so that you no go come disturb me if I the kitchen. Okay, make the door dey like that. Our building is very secure. No, nothing will happen. Ça va, Bi? Ça a été? How was school? Why you the verse? See the kiss face? No. You know, say this your face. I don't know how you take position now. Anytime Obina is back from school, we ask him if he's angry. Because the face, he dey frown almost all the time when he's back from school. Is anything, as in, what happened in school that is making you to frown your face?
I'm used to it.
Ça va?
Oui.
Ça a été?
Oui.
So Obina is back from school. So guys, this is yam that I'll be using for the eggplant. We ate yam, I think, day before yesterday. Yeah, we ate yam day before yesterday, but this one is good. We are going to be cooking it in a different way, but not today. Not today. I think tomorrow or next tomorrow okay, because this yam is very, very cheap. Okay, we got this one for €5 something, this big yam here, and this one for €3 something. Plantain, we got it in Grocery too, very fresh. Okay, and we got also some tomato, and this one here is sweet potato. I got this too for €3 something, very expensive. And this carrot, of course, because I will be making salad. I don't know where my husband put the salad. Okay, look at the salad here. I will be making salad, but I don't know when. I just got all these things for the week. Okay, we are going to see what we are going to eat this week from all these things, and some spinach as well. All right, guys, so I got the spinach in 2-pack like this because the sack was a little bit small. The bag was a little bit small, so I have to separate them like this. Okay, so let's see what we are going to cook this week. Okay, guys, so yeah, and of course I have this what did I call it here? Ignore all this dirty here. It's because we put them in the oven. I don't know what they call the name of this fruit, because I saw it where they used to sell fruits, so I don't know the name for it, but I love it because whenever I go to town I used to eat it a lot. Okay, so I decided to just get it fresh and I prepared it myself. You can see the oven is very, very dirty because the thing just be like say it's plink around all the oven when it is done. So according to my hobby, he's saying now because say it don't done, now make and come scatter itself like this. So if you know the name of this fruit, you can leave it in the comment section. Okay, it be like granite as you see, and so now you go they break and like this, they eat some. Okay, you come on the candle, the body of the thing, then you go eat some. So I want to put them here so that I can go and enjoy it. Oh, don't know if Obina will eat, but Obi will eat. So I'm going to put them here. I'll put them here, then I will go and sit down in the parlor, use until they watch one Nigerian movie, one better Nigerian movie. Okay, yeah, that's it. So I will do that out of the camera later. So guys, look at this kitchen, what did I call it? I don't really know the name anyway. It's like a pad that they put in the fridge, not kitchen, in the fridge. Inside the fridge, you will just spread it so that your fridge will be clean all the time. Like whenever anything pour on it, you will just use rag and touch it. Okay, you use rag and clean it. It will be very easy for you to clean. So I got this one from Shein, and it's not the exact one I really want because I ordered for different colors of this, but they brought 4 the same color. Me, I don't like 4 the same color because the way I tasted it for the picture, it was really, really very cute. So I will screenshot the picture and put in this video so you guys can see it. Okay, so you will just arrange it before you will just spread it on your fridge before you put anything on your fridge. Okay, so that you will not be doing too much work. Very sweet. So this is freezer. Okay, all this place now freezer, not be fridge. So I will not put the pad here because now freezer I will not need that. So I'll put it only in the fridge. Okay, so I will remove everything. We have banana. We also got this banana today. We got it today. And of course I will make pina colada too. Clean the fridge, guys. Let's clean it. I've removed almost everything, though they have some things here too. Let me do it one after the other, because no space to pack these things put. I want this opportunity to clean my fridge. Oh, fridge opportunity. Make I use and clean my fridge today. Okay, because fridge, you know the not be say I'm not dey clean my fridge, but na touch I dey touch am. I know they really dey do that deep clean for my fridge like that. Though you know the dirty sha. You know the dirty. So one thing about this my fridge, if you open down for long, it go dey make noise. You guys can hear it. So I have to close it and open it again so that the noise will stop. Okay? That's how this fridge be. Oh. So guys, I just finished arranging my fridge, okay? And this kitchen, they try to arrange and small too. So make a show now, how the fridge be, the color of the thing when I put, okay? So look at it. Though I didn't do it well, because I don't know how to fix them. the thing self e not long enough. E not long enough. So I dey try to see whether I go fit pin am for here, then pin am for here. But e not let me do. E not let me do. So I got to leave it in one side like so, then the remaining one like so. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Ada don't come for school. I don't want to make a carry am. Yeah, come and say hello. With ball. You be man when they carry ball. Hey, Adeze. Hey, Adeze is back from school. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello, mama. Why you bring that tongue for them now? Why you bringing out your tongue? Adeze, why are you bringing out your tongue? Huh? It's bad, huh? You don't have to do that, okay? Okay, mama? Say hello, do like this. Hello. Oh, yeah, wave your hand. Adeze, wave your hand like so. Say hello. Oh, yeah, come. Adeze, don't kaka. Let me go and change her. Yeah. So, guys, she basically has to disturb me. I don't go to me and give you papa. Me did that. So Ada is the only good girl we have in this house. Yes, so mama.
Reel me in to get it going, open me up. Sweet talking like you mean it, but you're making it so complicated. I f***ing hate it. Every time I get too close, you push me away. Don't wanna stick, telling me you don't want any obligations. And how you hate them. Don't call me just cause you're lonely. You know you're killing me slowly.
What is that?
Bring it, just down, bring it. I will carry one juice.
I don't give them any juice.
Don't give them this one.
Nah, there I keep on taking it by myself.
Oh yeah, they come and take everybody.
So I want to make pina colada. Okay, guys. Yeah. So I'm going to blend it, okay? This one are real coconut cream, not milk. This is very thick. Wait, Ada, wait. Ah, God. Wait now. So I have my pineapple juice, okay? I never to pack and put self. I'm going to blend this together. Wait. So, this is very thick and yummy. Very thick and yummy. The pineapple juice when I put not many. So let me check it if it's okay. If I should add more, okay? This will taste so nice, eh? Wow. So delicious. Bring it, okay?
Yeah.
Is that? Chicos not be eat away soup.
This soup to today. Even Chico's house will not chop. Chico's will not go chop.
Chicos are not chop. That's so yummy. Yeah. So that's it. C'est bon, Obi? Even I enjoy pina colada. We say you like them, eh? You like it?
Oui.
Hmm?
Oui. But that is disturbing me to eat it.
So yummy, guys. Very yummy, but this one gonna cause fat. Now fat, if you want to add weight, yes. If you want to add weight, you can go for this pina colada. Yeah, coconut milk. No, coconut cream. Cream, not the milk. The cream with pineapple juice, okay? And that day they drag Obi now. And that is dragging Obi now. So yeah, I'll give my kids later before they sleep. So that's it. Half kata. Hey, the weather don't they cold well. So my nose, let's say one block. It don't even block small. So I have this. What am I saying? I got this baking stuff. Okay, you put anything that you want to bake here, like meat pie. You roll it on it. Okay, so my voice, like say, don't change. I feel and say my voice don't change because of my kata. My nose block. So yeah, so that's it. I'm done cleaning the kitchen. So I and Obi want to go out. Okay, the children don't they disturb.
Oh yeah, this way.
So we won't go out. I never eat since morning, but I'm not sure say I go eat because time no day again. We'll just quick go outside. Yeah, she was saying yeah. Come and say hello to them. Come, let me carry you so that you say hello to them. Yeah. Yeah, say hello. Hello, beautiful people, my aunties, my uncles. Hello, she was saying hello. Okay, so that's it, guys. So for now, I think I will end this one here. Okay, yeah, my kitchen is clean. No, make a show now. Just that the sink still full. Huh? Look at the sink. Okay, that's my granite there. Will I call it granite? That's the name I will call it because I don't know the actual name they call it. Okay, so my sink, leave the sink there. It will go down by itself because the sink is blocked. Okay, water is not flowing very well, so I asked Obi to help me open it from the dam. Maybe later Obi will do that. So as for now, the kitchen is not bad. Okay, guys, so I'm done here. So let me go out with Hobby. Let's go and check that our goat. What are you saying, Chichi? You want to talk? Maybe you want to talk. Eh? Maybe you want to talk. Yeah, Chichi, you want to say something? You want to say something? You want to say something? So yeah, he's trying to speak small. My son does talk small, but not that much. So yeah, that's it, guys. So let's start going. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you all so much. Do not forget to subscribe and give this video a massive thumbs up. Okay, share my video if you can, and thank you all so much, all of you. I really do appreciate. So I will see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourself. Bye. Bye.